Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here I want to introduce myself. My name is Fikri Reza Fadilah and I want to introduce all members of my group. There is Maesa Putra Baskoro.
Hello.
And then there is Rahmat Dwi Nur Cahyo
Halo.
and Rafli Wirayuda.
Halo.
And then there is Bagas Satrio Nugroho.
Halo.
And the last there is Rido Dias.
Halo.
And we are going to discuss about how to install an operation system.
I will explain how to install Ubuntu using VMware Workstation. Here I will explain this step of setting Ubuntu before it is installed using the specification required for Ubuntu settings. This is like prepare a computer. First, open the VMware Workstation, then select new virtual machine, and if you are ready, click next. Second, click I will install the operating software later. If you are ready, click next button. Okay, then select Linux with Ubuntu version, then select next. The name the virtual machine and specific the location to store the virtual machine data, and here the name is Ubuntu 2 and I make new folder for the data of virtual machine. Okay, after that specific the disk size of the virtual machine that we have created. In here this size is 20 gigabytes. Okay, click next. Then click edit virtual machine settings. Then settings the RAM and the number of processor. Then go to the CD or DVD IDE. Then select the use ISO image file and browse for the Ubuntu file ISO installer file. Okay.
Click power on this virtual machine to turn on the virtual machine. After that, we'll go into the Ubuntu installation. In this menu, select install Ubuntu. Then at time, uncheck download update will installation Ubuntu because it will take quite a long time if you have clicked continue. In the installation type, select eraser disk and install Ubuntu. Then press the new partition table button. If the notification page appears, select continue. And then select the time zone that matches the user's current location.
Okay, in this section we will choose the time zone according to our location. After that, click continue. And we can write our name and our computer's name. By the way, the computer's name is used when it talks to the other computer. And we will create the username and password to log in Ubuntu. Okay, after that we can wait until the installation process is complete. Okay, the installation process is complete and we need to restart our computer in order to use the new installation. Yeah, now we can log in with the username and password that we created earlier. Yeah, now Ubuntu is ready to use.
On this part, my dear user, here we will explain how to do the step 2 installation Windows 7 in a VirtualBox. In my session, I will explain how to set up from a VirtualBox In this step, you need a VirtualBox application and a file ISO of Windows 7. You can download it on Google. First, open the VirtualBox application and click the new icon. Next, please fill in the name of the machine to be made. Here, I fill in Windows 7. Then select Microsoft Windows and Windows 7 64-bit version. If you have a click next, set the memory capacity of the machine, then click next. Choose the create virtual hard disk now. Then choose the VDI and then next. Then select dynamic allocation next. If you have, then set the capacity of the hard disk and the click create. For the next step, click the setting icon. In this step, please click the storage menu and click the CD icon and then click the CD icon again and then click choice virtual option, then lock for the Windows 7 installer. If it is, then open it and click the start button to run the file ISO, and then wait for the installation menu to open.
In this step, immediately select your time format for Indonesia accuracy. If you have clicked next, then click install now. Wait a few seconds. Then click to accept the license terms, click next. Then select custom advanced. Then click next. Then click the drive option, then click new to allocate all the memories by clicking apply. Then select the second partition and click next. Wait a few minutes. This is the process of installing Windows file into the partition that has been prepared. If all the Windows installation has been complete, it will restart to process the installation completion. In this process is the process of completing the installation. Please wait until Windows returns to restart the computer.
When starting automatically, do not click anything. Let the process run until the process is complete. After you enter setup Windows, you can fill in your name, then you can click next. You can click next on the password field selection if you don't want to fill it. You can click skip on type your Windows product key selection. In the help protect your computer selection, you can click X later. Then you can set the time, the date, and city you live. Then you will select your computer current location. You can choose home, you can choose work or public network. Here I click on public network. After finish, waiting the Windows to process your setting earlier, and you will automatically go to the Windows 7 desktop.
Okay, that's all from us. If we have any mistakes, we do apologize to you all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.